Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the bookback exercise of the poem Eating Words. Choose the correct options. The word or means eat, drink, eat and drink. What is or means? Eat. Insectivores are animals and plants who eat vegetables and grasshoppers, mosquitoes, butterflies and grasshoppers, snakes and lizards. Mosquito, butterflies and grasshoppers. Carnivores eat only vegetables, meat and vegetables, snake and lizards, deer and lamb, birds, fish and clams. See, snakes and lizards, deer and lamb, birds, fish and clams. The phrase move on a foot means something which can move and walk around like animals, something which has only one foot, something which has wheels like cars. A. Something which can move and walk around like animals. Next, read the lines and answer the questions. When you know that or means eat, you will know which type of eater is mentioned in this stanza. Insectivores. What are the things they eat? They eat grass, hoppers, moths, butterflies, etc. Mention another word in this stanza which also means eat. Feed. Okay. Next. Everything they can suck or chew, sometimes even me or you. Food. Which type of eaters does this stanza talk about? Talk about omnivores. What kind of food do they eat? They eat both plants and animals. Who are being referred to as me and you here? Human beings. Okay. Next. Vocabularies. The antonym or opposite of the word old from the poem is young. Write the opposites using the given words. Sink, float. Reverse, receive, give. Nervous, confident. Everything, nothing. Same, different. Find, lose. Next, fill in the blanks with the opposites of the underlined words. The young boy helped the dash man across the road. Old man. Meera arrives early for class every day, but today she was late. Do not take the heavy suitcase. Carry the dash backpack instead. Carry the light. The bottle with orange juice is quite full, but the one with the watermelon juice is almost empty. My clothes got dirty after playing football in the muddy field. After a good wash, they were clean. Understood? Next. Complete the following analogies by choosing the correct options. Mention the relationship between the two. Tree is next. Truck is to road as boat is to lake. Transportation. Transportation. Hope is to rabbit as gallop is to horse. Relationship, animal, movement. Baker is to cake as carpenter is to table. Profession. Relationship, profession. A station is to train as an airport is to aeroplane. Vehicle, location for travel. Understood? So this is about the exercise part of the poem Eating Birds. Tomorrow we will see lesson Around the World with a Chili. Okay, thank you.